Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. So you're going to need some cabbage, some onion, some eggs, and some potatoes. And then you spice it how you like. This is absolutely wonderful. It's super easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we've got half a head of cabbage there, which I've shredded. It's quite a lot there. It's maybe, I don't know, 8 or 9 cups. 4 cups there of potatoes, cut nice and small. 1 cup of onions, a tablespoon of garlic, and 2 teaspoons each of coriander powder and cumin powder. We're going to be adding a few more bits. I'll show you that as we go along. And of course, we're going to be adding some eggs. So I've got a pan here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. The heat is on. I've got about, by the way, about 4 or 5 tablespoons of oil. You can use a different oil if you want. In go the potatoes. Medium heat, not really high. We're going to fry these around for about 5 minutes or so. So we're just getting a bit of colour on there. You don't have to colour them too much. Next up, we're going to drop in that 1 cup of onion, the garlic, the cumin and the coriander. Then we're going to add some salt and pepper. And we're going to go for about another 4 minutes or so. Keep it moving now. Fabulous. Now we're going to drop in the cabbage. So we've got quite a lot of cabbage here, but it will cook down nicely. So we're going to throw this around, stir fry it around in there. It's going to take about 5 or 6 minutes. Keep it moving and it will reduce down. Well, it will reduce down a lot actually. Really good. Really good this is. Look at that, really beautiful. Now, I added garlic to this. If you wanted, you could have added some ginger as well. You know, like some garlic and ginger in there, give it a bit of more of that flavor. You could put some curry powder in, some chili powder. It's up to you. Okay, that's cooked nicely. I've now got 5 eggs here that I've beaten, and we're going to drop that in. And I'm going to stir fry this around about 4 minutes, I suppose. Depends how you like your eggs. I like mine fairly well done. Mixing away. We're nearly done. Beautiful. Okay, off goes the heat. Little bit of chopped parsley for me. That is so good. Let me get that on the plate. And there you have it, piping hot. I mean, there's plenty there, enough for maybe 4 or 5 people. Cabbage, potatoes, eggs, delicious. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.